Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all is fine. So my dear friend, welcome back to our channel guys. Today we discuss our TRONWWE website. Yes friends, this is a very newly launched and this is a long-term cooperation. So guys, first of all, if you new my channel, so dear friend, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, my dear friend. So how to sign up in this site, how to deposit, how to withdraw, I explain everything in this video, so please don't skip video and full watch. So this website name is TRONWWE. So guys, first of all, if you input your username in this box, email address in this box, and guys here password, now re-enter password and invitation code here like this, and click the register. So you easily register friends. I have already account in this site, so I log in and you sign up with a home page. So here is my username and this is my password friend. Here is my login success guys. Click the confirm and confirm page and check. Here is our latest announcement. VIP 3 deposit, completed deposit 10,000 to 3,000 TRX, 30% return. The higher VIP level you can check easily here like this and click the confirm. And guys, this is our TRONWWE. So guys, here you can see WWE is a cloud mining platform issued by Tron, and cloud mining is one of the way often TRX. It does not rally to this check. And here is the detail, basic account balance, wallet account, invest now. So check, here is an investment platform, here is a 0 TRX investment. So guys, wait, and here you can see this is a basic investment. So here is our detail for the basic investment. Daily earning here is 9% and 10 11%, here is 13, there is 15, and this is a committed profit. You can check VIP 1, here is a 9% and 907, and check, here is a 9%, and you can see here is a like this 80 and 1 gig. So VIP 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here is market centers checkout. Here is a PNB, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum checkout detail, Tron earning withdrawal. Here is like this, and you can see partner. Here is this website, and guys, now here you can check. This is a how to invite. So this is a share. So check out. Here is detail, my invitation code. This is the invitation link, copy invitation link, copy address. So check out level 1 level 2 level 3, and here is a earning like this, mine is collect. So you can see this is a profit record. Here you can like this, and how to collect. So here is a collect, and guys, now you can see this is a option like this. Here you can check. This is a, here is you can see option. Here is move home, top up, withdraw, share, team, download, information, transfer record. So now check out, this is a top up, how to top up. So transfer to basic account first. So select payment method, TRX here like this, invitation code and copy address. So first copy the wallet address like this, and you go to your wallet. So here you can see this is click the send option. Now address is placed. Now input, I input a 50 TRX like this friends, and click our next option, and here is loading. So submit, and guys, now click the confirm and easily check out. This is a transfer. So transfer detail you can see, this is a like this, and this is a processing. So here is send is successful, and guys, now here click the recharge complete.